We welcome Moesha to Wagner Academy for question number 13 here. It says a sweater originally cost $37.50, and last week Moesha bought it at 20% off. That's where Moesha comes in. How much was deducted from the original price? So 20% off, that's not more than half of this original price. If this was 40, half of the price would be 20. So hopefully you can tell that this one and this one, choices C and D, are pretty poor choices here. 20% off of $37.50. How much was deducted? You're not going to deduct more than half the price if it's only 20% off. So how much was deducted between these two? A little less clear. I think one probably stands out in my mind a lot more than the other one, that being choice A, because it's only 20% off and not closer to 50% off. But let's figure out how we could find this exactly in case it wasn't as clear to you. So $37.50, if we're doing that at 20% off, we're changing this, or we can change this to a decimal as 0.20. So I can multiply this by 0.20. And that would give me all zeros for that first line, and then I either leave a blank space or put an X or put another 0 for the next place, because now we're skipping this hundreds place and doing the tens place now. So we've got a blank spot there. 0 times 2 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10, so I'm going to write down the 0, carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So write down the 5 and carry the 1, and then finally 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Add that all together. We don't have to multiply by this final 0 because that wouldn't change anything. And we've got 75,000. Now you may think, whoa, that's way too big, but hold on, we've got decimal places up here. So there are 4 total places to the right of the decimal up here. That means I need to have 4 total places to the right of the decimal down here. That would change that, or make that 7.5, or 750 in other words. That, my friends, is choice A.